How to fix Microsoft Word not working on Android. So if the Word application is not working on your Android device, there might be various reasons behind it. First reason is that there might be some bugs in the Word application. In that case, update it. Open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for MS Word. See the results. Tap on the option Microsoft Word. If you find the option for update, tap on it. After the update is completed, the bugs will be fixed. If the problem is still not solved, try clearing the cache of Microsoft Word. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Microsoft Word and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If not, try uninstalling the Microsoft Word and install it again. Tap on the option Uninstall on the App Info interface. Tap on the option OK. After that, install it via the Play Store. Now your problem should be fixed. If not, there might be some temporary software glitches in the device itself. Restart your device. Long press on the power button. Find the option for restart and tap on it. After the device is restarted, the software glitches will be fixed. Now the Word application should start working. Like this, you'll be able to fix Microsoft Word not working on Android device. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.